The Mazda 6 is a mid-size sedan that has been in the car market for a long time and has undergone several design changes and technological improvements over time. The latest model of the Mazda 6 was launched in 2018 and received several improvements in the following years. Mazda 6's last update occurred in 2018 for the current model. While the Mazda 6 has now been discontinued in the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom, according to Automotive Information Japan, development of the next Mazda 6 has been postponed, and development of the luxury coupe has been canceled. That means the next generation Mazda will be coming. In this video, we want to show you the next Mazda 6 illustration, which is expected to be based on the world premiere of the Vision Coupe at the Tokyo Motor Show 2017. Let's see the illustration of the Mazda 6 with different colors. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.
Evolution. This is the future.